Network Entertainment.
Did you wake up with a silver spoon?
Welcome to Make It Just Have Podcast. We back after a long and wonderful
Happy New Year.
vacation. Happy New Year. We are back. Stuff I want to talk about. I've been wanting to talk about on the pod. Number one,
What? You say that as I...
Never
Okay. Say that
not
as I apply.
love you.
Ano yan? A movie?
So,
The movie? What?
the thing, we were on a plane for 8 hours. And my new thing now is watching what other people watch
I was gonna talk about that. Okay, sige, go.
in the plane, right? So watching, while I was watching my
Yung nasa
movie,
harap natin, nanonood ng Nadine movie. Okay, yes.
so I was watching my movie.
Which
on my
was?
right,
What did you watch? Spider-Man.
The Departed.
Okay.
So I was watching The Departed. On my right, someone was watching Weapons.
Oh.
And I was rewatching it. Yeah,
Oh,
kaya saya, I
fun.
was rewatching it. And then pagtingin ko dun sa left, like, wow, ganda nila. So nicely shot.
Si James Reid.
I watched the whole movie. It was so...
Wait, you watched it on your screen?
No, on the other person's screen.
With
subs.
captions? Pwede ka nanood ng with sound.
Dapat nga eh.
Gusto ko manood. I've never seen it.
Sobrang ganda.
Oh my God, tumalsik yung laway mo
Sorry.
sa akin.
Sobrang ganda. And then, you know what? At the end,
Wait, is that Donut Hadona?
ending pala. Kaya pala.
I think it's on Netflix.
My two favorite movie. Actually, my three. Grabe, I love that.
Tadhana, di ba?
Grabe. Direct to net talaga. Direct to net.
Direct to net, shout out.
Tadhana.
Wait lang, isa pang favorite natin.
Fangirl.
Isa pang favorite natin. JP Habak. I'm drunk, I love you.
Oo nga.
Idili.
But anyway, so
Anyway,
never
love
not
it.
love you, apparently. So I was watching it. I was like, wow. Like, nung una, I was just like amazed. And I kind of started understanding, like,
Wait, ang layo mo.
kaya pala, like, grabe, people were going gaga over this James Nadine thing. It's just like, wow. What great chemistry and like their contrast, and she plays the sweet innocent girl and he's the bad boy.
Ang nakita kong
perfectly.
scene when I saw it, ang nakita ko is yung sinusundo siya from work. Tapos parang playboy siya. Naka-man bun.
Naka-man bun, tas naka-motor.
Yeah, and then I was like, when I was watching, I was like, yeah, like people were eating this up because they ate.
Tapos, nakakatawa, while I was watching the movie, I saw na, so apparently, this is my synopsis based on watching it, right? I wish I wonder
You
what...
didn't even watch the
I
whole thing from
wonder
the start?
what song was used. But I do want to watch it.
I want to watch it.
We
Let's
should watch it.
together. Okay.
Beautifully shot.
Kids, should we watch it all together? Like with commentary?
That's fun. From what I understood, like, Nadine had...
Di ba spoiler yan?
Hindi.
Intro lang.
Basta it's parang, kumbaga, semi-La La Land. Like, they can never get career-wise. Never sila nagtugma. So they...
Sobrang spoiler! Kainis. Can you
Kasi
not?
papanoorin mo nga.
Diba, kakasabi mo lang eh. Anyway.
Sobrang... And ako, talaga, like... I was just like...
Were you...
at the edge of my seat.
Yeah.
Just like...
And they're
then
they're good-looking people.
Yeah, they are. And then yung interesting that was happening pa, the person watching it kept rewinding it at a certain section. So it kind of helped me, like, kaya pala.
So
Yun yung reveal. Parang reveal. And then buti na lang, as we were landing, it's like, oh my God, di pa tapos.
8 hours ang pinapanood. Rewind lang ng rewind.
Di pa tapos. Eh, buti na lang, medyo nag-forward siya onte. And sorry, na-delay tayo sa paglabas ng plane.
Yes.
Hindi kami nakaalis agad ng plane. Natapos.
Thank you, Naiya. Speaking of though, I was gonna say, like, if you're sobrang close proximity kasi, diba, of the screens, can you, like, maybe, I don't know, I don't think it's so weird kasi like I know there's a faction of people who feel like this world should be child free, and then there's a faction of people who think like children are entitled to everything. But ewan ko for me lang, it's like it's a little hard when there are children on the plane and then I see like people watching sex scenes. And I guess, hindi yun nila kasalanan. Siguro for me, pwede lang nating maiwasan by like, maybe, ewan ko, maybe don't put that gory thing also as an option. Even like killing and, ewan ko, pero,
I'm sorry, I don't agree with you there.
well, nasa stress lang ako.
Just let it be. It's up to the parents naman eh.
Ang hirap nga naman ng 8 hours tapos yung katabi
Kaya nga,
mo.
pero it's up to the parents. Kasi, in fairness to the person, what if the person wants to watch sex scenes
Yun nga
for
yung
8
sinasabi ko.
hours?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko.
Or
hindi
wants
nga
to
nila
watch
kasalanan.
gory stuff for 8 hours?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Hindi nila kasalanan kasi may choice naman. May options. Pero ang hirap rin kasi there wasn't much options for children.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Alam mo.
I know this is, I didn't mean anything by, I don't want to be like, just forget I said anything.
So, ito, sabi. This is what I want to talk about.
I'm like, should I have said that?
This is gonna be the, yeah, I'm pretty sure you're...
I'm not judging people who are watching their stuff. Yung kasi sabi ko go lang. It was just, I just don't know how I feel about it. Okay?
Yes. So,
Is that so wild?
gusto ko man bun ulit.
Alam ko na yung pwede natin gawin, Jim.
At
Jim,
gusto ko magmotor.
Jim.
Gusto
Jim,
ko magmotor.
Jim, alam ko na yung pwede natin gawin. Can we find a scene and then reenact it? Like, dub it? Should we do that? Let's do that for a snippet. For this.
Paanong dub?
Ewan ko, it's like a line. Yung mga parang, like, we'll play the audio and then dub it.
Play
Yung mga, alam bash. Parang
okay,
yes,
okay.
parang dub smash. Hindi ko parang dub smash. Anyway, okay.
Galing, Gravitas deserves a shot. Direct to net.
We're doing that. Choose a scene for us,
There
pod
was this
kids.
shot direct to net na mountain and in this lake.
Wow, you really watched the whole
Yeah,
thing.
it was like a beautiful shot and it was like
Nakakatawa. Na-imagine ko na in your screen, like, Leo's getting shot and you're like, just watching Never Not Love You.
kaya ako talagang I stopped it there.
He stopped at the
I
part.
stopped na yung movie. Tapos nanonood na lang ako doon. I don't know why. Tinamad na ako to play it and
Yeah.
I would like to find the scene.
Okay, sorry, you were saying Direct to Net, scene in the
Yun.
mountain.
There's scene. So, hindi. I want to move on. So,
Okay.
the next thing I want to talk about is, I just want to say,
Oh my gosh, this is the longest pause on planet Earth.
hindi, ito. Walang tatapat sa galing ng Pilipino. Okay? In terms of hospitality, in terms of service, in terms of work ethic, we are fucking superior. It's just that our fucking government has killed us all these years. I just want to super duper emphasize that na we literally have the best,
Naturally. No?
naturally the best people na despite no training, despite the lack of
Minimal
support,
training, yeah.
despite the lack of training, despite the lack of funding, we still find ways to become fucking great.
You know what?
And all this fucking
Sorry.
government does all these corrupt politicians, they've just brought us down. That's what they continue to do. And Filipinos keep fucking finding ways I'm gonna survive. Kaya ako, sorry, Jay-Z. Ikaw kaya Jay-Z, ha? Yeah. Ikaw, Jay-Z.
Nanonood ka, Jay-Z. Alam
Ha?
ko nanonood ka.
Ikaw, Jay-Z.
Kaya alam ko nagtatagalog ka, naintindihan mo kami.
Hoy, ikaw, Jay-Z. Isa sila niya, I know everyone says this, but not Jay-Z, but na if I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. Dehin, Jay-Z, dehin.
What did he say about, is it America?
He's saying that if you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere. If
Okay.
you make it in Manila,
Oh,
you can
okay.
make it anywhere.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of.
Jay-Z, dehin. So even mga musikero.
Kung tingin mo New York, concrete jungle, ano pa kaya to?
And if you make
Wala
it,
nga kahit anong puno dito.
here, it just, for me, the way, like how great our countrymen are, how great Filipinos are, how wonderful, the best, proportional yung pagka-evil at pagkawalang kwenta ng mga corrupt politicians natin. Okay? Last.
No,
Last.
I wanna add to that.
Okay.
You know what the Filipinos are parallel to? The Philippines. The Philippine Islands. Naturally so beautiful, tad-tad ng gold and freaking natural
Sobrang
stuff.
ganda. Sobrang ganda.
And then biglang sobrang binaboy.
Para magka-Land Cruiser yung anak ng
Para may
Senator.
30 million na pangit na watch yung anak mo.
ina. So,
Ako na, bye na.
sorry.
Kaya ikaw, Jay-Z.
Jay-Z. Ikaw, Jay-Z ha. Take it back. I demand na you take it back. If you make it in Manila, and also for musicians, athletes, musicians, artists, nurses, doctors, isipin mo ha, musikero, sorry, lahat ng musikero, pupuntahan ko talaga si
Magtapon ka ng Pinoy dyan, panalo.
sobra. Sorry, pupuntahan ko si, sino ba pupunta ko? Like, I would go to Dave Grohl, respectfully. Respectfully.
Up to now?
Yeah.
Okay, sige.
I'd say, sir, Dave.
Sir. Ano siya, knight?
Sir, I
Sir
love you.
Dave.
Pero kung ano kayo, lumaki, ay hindi, kaya niya.
Ano?
Kaya niya, sorry.
What were you trying to say?
My point is like, if you were able to, hindi, kaya niya. Sorry, maling example si Dave Grohl. Like, someone else.
If I knew what you were trying to say,
And
maybe
what
I could help
I'm
you.
trying to say is like, musicians here in Manila, the gig entrance na 500 pesos has been the same for the past 15 years.
Taas nga ng 500. Di
Mataas
ba
nga yun.
150
Sorry,
lang?
200 to 250. But despite that, and bars not upgrading equipment, not because they don't want to, it's just because the economy is hard. Yeah, so yun. Tatapat ko. Like, so if there were like may Olympics of bands,
Yeah.
may Olympics of bands na, okay guys, parang Hunger Games, na, o bato na dyan, dyan kayo sa field, tangina nyo. Kayo lahat. Di ba? O, gago kayo.
Ikaw, Pita. Pita Melark.
Pita kita.
Ano pangalan nung si Liam?
Skyness?
Hindi, Katniss.
Katniss.
Sky. Hindi, yung isa.
Liam.
Liam. Liam Hemsworth, what's his name?
Tom.
Pita and Tom, yung magkalaban. Hindi magkalaban, but like, anyway.
Tom Gut.
Tom Gut Melark, kumain ng pita. Wali. Anyway, okay. Wait, where was I?
So, Hunger Games.
Okay.
Bagsak mo lahat. Now, guys ha, diyan kayo.
So parang physical Asia.
Parang ganun, the worst equipment in the world. So, bato mo rin. So, sila Raymond Marasigan, babato mo from the plane. Si Gaba Santiago, bato mo from a train, from the sky.
Okay.
Sabi mo, tas babato mo rin sila Bieber or ganyan. Bakbakan kayo.
Parang iba naman ata yung skill set. Si Bieber, it's gonna be like, where are you now?
Okay. I want to end. I want to end with this. Sam and I were talking about this, the concept of restaurants, and like how restaurants, if you just change a portion of their name, restaurants and bands, right, or movies, like
I don't know what it is.
we're getting there.
Okay.
Parang if you make a subtle change to a name of a restaurant, a band, or whatever, would it still have the same effect?
Okay.
Let's say Urban Dub. Let's say Urban Dub was called
Rural Dub. Rural Bud. Sorry.
Or
Pero Kenny Burger. Bakit
Hindi,
may hard?
kumari, Ganja Man or
What's Ganja Man?
instead of urban dub.
Okay. So, mo tweak up
Sorry, tweak pala. So like urban
dictionary. Wali.
urban dirt
Sama.
or urban dust. Would it still work? I think it would. Dust would work. Urban dust. It would.
I
Parang
guess.
naman we knew what urban dub was
I
during
think
that
it's
time.
hard kasi it depends rin on the sound of the band.
Then that's why nga.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
to factor in. Let's say sandwich. If imbis na sandwich, it's
I think it would work. Kung ay tanong isalpak mo sa
sa
name
sandwich.
nila. Because like, honestly, they worked with Sandwich, which is not the most rock
Ako
sounding.
hindi. It's so rock.
Actually, that's
It's
true,
so
that's
rock.
true. That's true.
It's like the coolest
It's like,
name.
who doesn't want a sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Ganda nun. Who wouldn't want a sandwich?
Yeah.
So,
Parang kung like, Frankfurter.
kuwari, like,
May hotdog nga pala.
parang rice meal, ulam.
Ulam.
If sandwich was named ulam, would it still work?
Yeah.
I think they could make it work. Like parang
Yeah.
wham,
Mm.
right?
Kami
So-
Kapitan Ulam.
So kuwari, Jollibee. If it
Oh.
wasn't Jollibee, if it was Jolly Bird,
Yeah, it would work.
it would work, right? Jolly Bell
Yes.
would work. Jollibee.
Yes,
Would
it would
work.
work.
Imbis na mang inasal, mang paa.
Yeah.
Would work?
Mang
paa?
Pecho.
Mang pecho's nice.
Yeah.
Ganda
Yeah.
nun.
Mm.
Laking pecho. Get
Hindi.
big breast.
Ano ibig sabihin ng pecho?
Sabi.
Bakit? Is it a known...
Yes.
Tagalog?
Oo naman.
Hindi ko alam.
Ay, I don't know.
Oh. Yun ba yung ibig sabihin nun?
Yes, pecho is breast.
Sarap. You're looking for a reaction sa akin. Laking pecho. Okay.
North, imbis na North Park, North Peck. No?
Peck.
Uh,
What are you talking about now?
No, we're
Same?
just
Okay.
we're thinking like what are other and please comment on Spotify.
McDonald's.
Tag us on Instagram, please. Give us more.
McDonald's.
If it was Miss Donald's.
Hindi. Ibang what's another? McNally's or something. It would still work.
Ah, yeah. Pasok. As long as it's an English name, Mac Smith's,
Yeah.
Mac
Yeah.
Jackson.
Yeah.
Siguro lang hindi Mac Jose.
Mang Jose.
Like more recent, naman, like Manam. If it wasn't Manam, if it was, let's say, naman, hindi siya bali sa word. So, instead of Manam, it's ulam.
Pero you know the
Ganda ng
ulam na naman. Ano ba ito? Banda o restaurant? Wait. That's the trend nga ngayon, diba, ng mga yung sinasabi nila parang yung sobrang mahal na business na local goods. Lagyan mo lang ng deep Tagalog word.
That's what's happening now. Yeah.
What are other deep Tagalog words?
Na walang vowel? Or may vowel?
Pecho. Vowel?
Kani, imbis na, let's say if it wasn't called 8 Cuts. If it was called Patty birthday patty. Would work.
Yeah.
Would work. Yeah.
Can you move on?
I guess that's it. That's it. That's all I wanted to talk about. I think
What about
movie.
what would your name be?
Movie.
What about you? What do you look like?
I don't know.
What do I look like?
You look like Natasha?
Natasha.
Ay, no. Natalia.
I look like a Natalia.
You could be a Natalia. No. Sorry.
You could be a
Farmer. Clones.
you could be, what anyway.
Okay.
I'm over it.
We're back. See you guys. Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people in the podcast is personal and not meant for